McKinney-Vento 101, Serving Homeless and Migrant Students. What is the purpose of the McKinney-Vento Act? The primary function of this federal law is to ensure that children and youth experiencing homelessness have immediate and equal access to a public education. It established the definition of homelessness to be used by schools. It provides educational access, stability, and support to promote school success. It addresses the unique barriers that many homeless scholars face. Who is eligible to receive services under the umbrella of the McKinney-Vento Act? Children or youth who lack a fixed, regular, and adequate nighttime resident. The easiest way to determine this is by asking the question, can a scholar go to the same place every night to sleep in a safe and sufficient space? The elements of the McKinney-Vento Act. The McKinney-Vento Act uses three criteria to define housing. The first criteria is determining if the home of the scholar fails to be fixed, which means that it's stationary, permanent, and not subject to change. The second criteria is that the home is regular, which means that the living situation is used on a predictable, routine, and consistent basis. The third criteria is that the home is adequate. This is if the home sufficiently meets physical and psychological needs that are typically met in a home environment. If the scholar's living situation does not meet all three criteria, the student is considered homeless and must receive services under McKinney-Vento.
Created using Powtoon.